Hi, this is Surya Pachipala. In this section, I'll be explaining on all Hadoop ecosystem components which are widely used. Basically, I'll be giving you a brief introduction of the most useful ecosystem components of Hadoop. Okay, first let's look at what is Hive. Hive is most frequently used Hadoop ecosystem component, and it's a data warehouse infrastructure built on top of Hadoop that provides data summarization, ad hoc querying, and analysis of your data assets. It can be, if you had to give a tabular format for your data, then Hive is a very best fit. Okay, this is widely used ecosystem component of Hadoop. So, coming to Pig. Pig is a data flow language and execution framework for parallel computation. When you have your structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data available, and if you wanted to transform the data, then Pig is a very best fit. It has a series of commands which we call it as Pig Latin, using which you can transform your data. And let me tell you, Pig is a very best fit for transforming unstructured data. HBase. HBase is a distributed, versioned, scalable big data store. It's a NoSQL database which can be used to store huge amounts of data in a versioned manner with distributed or sharding across data nodes, and which is again scalable ecosystem component available in the market. Okay, it's widely used by Facebook. We have something called Scoop. Scoop is a tool designed for effectively and efficiently transforming bulk amount of data between Hadoop and structured data stores such as RDBMS. The examples can be like you can connect to MySQL or SQL or DB2 or even Vertica, which is an HB tool. Scoop can be basically used to import or export data from RDBMS to HDFS or Hive or HBase. It's again widely used a Hadoop ecosystem component because most of the organizations will have their data stored as RDBMS. Flume. Flume is a distributed, reliable, and available services for effectively collecting, aggregating, and moving large amounts of data to Hadoop. Okay, it basically has some sources. It can be configured to various sources like web sources and Avro sources. Okay, it can bring data from any sort of source into HDFS, which is nothing but a sink. Okay, using Flume, you can pull your social networking data, and you can analyze your data. And finally, you can analyze the data by dumping it into Hive or transforming the data that has been pulled from Flume using Pig. Anything can be done. Okay, this is again a widely used Hadoop ecosystem component. We have Hue. Hue is a web-based application for Hadoop which provides user with an environment for exploring and analyzing data. Basically, Hue provides you an user interface where you can explore and analyze data by executing your MapReduce, or you can use your Hadoop ecosystem components, anything. Yeah. Hadoop is basically considered as a zoo of different animals. When you see here Hive is an honeybee's nest, and when you see Pig is an animal's name. So when you have a lot of animals involved in Hadoop ecosystem component, there should be someone who has to control all these ecosystem components. He is nothing but a zookeeper. A zookeeper is a centralized service for maintaining configuration information, naming, and providing distributed synchronization and providing group services. It basically is an admin who controls all these ecosystem components. Yeah, this is the brief introduction of Hadoop ecosystem component. We'll be looking further in detail about each of these ecosystem components with different case studies and different commands. Hope you had enjoyed this video. Looking forward for the next sessions. Thank you so much.